Hello and welcome. My name is Jakub and I'm application engineer at Sinterit. Today I would like to show you how you can easily and quickly switch between materials on your Lisa X printer. This guide also applies to Sinterit SUSI, but keep in mind that there will be some minor differences in the recoater area.
Start by selecting Remove Material from the Maintenance menu. The device will guide you step by step, and the entire process takes under half an hour. You can also find detailed instructions in the printer's full user manual. Our first step is the recoater. We need to make sure there is no residual powder left in its mechanism. Use soft bristle brush to clean off the powder. We also need to clean the recoater cover. Reinstall the cover and secure it with screws. Now it's time to vacuum the powder residues. Use appropriate nozzles to make this task easier. Next, we need to vacuum powder residue from the area beneath the beds. Then we need to remove and clean the overflow bin. If there is any remaining powder, simply empty it into the multi-PHS. Now to the replacing the bed seals. Start by removing the 4 outside screws and lifting the print bed cover. Remove the old sealing rope and vacuum off any residual powder. Insert a new rope. Note that the color might be different from the old one. Cut off excess length. Put the print bed cover back in and secure it with screws. Repeat the same procedure for the feed bed. Now your printer is ready to use with a different powder.